Okay, so this is the current state of my dining area. It's not too bad. So yeah, we have our table, chairs, cat food, and then this is the current state of the actual kitchen area. Right now I have things kind of decorated for fall. For the most part, there is not too much clutter here, but there are a few areas that I want to work on because I kind of already went through this room, and the kitchen is probably the easiest to actually declutter. And the counter is already pretty bare. That has been one goal that I set for myself, and to try and keep it that way. For the most part, all of the utensils and things like that are on this little tray. And don't mind my banana water. It just feels like a little cluttered because there is like stuff in basically every corner, with the exception of like that space right there. And then the main task here for the kitchen will be to declutter and organize the cabinets. So this is where we really need to work. Can't even reach that cupboard without a chair. I know there's only a couple things in there, but there are definitely things that I want to get rid of. I trim down my belongings as I go. This is the utensil drawer, and all of the pots and pans, toaster, strainer, that kind of stuff is in there. It's pretty neat, to 100% honest. And then I also I don't usually wait to wash my dishes, so all of this that is in my dishwasher is basically just storage, so I want to kind of work on that as well. Basically all of the cleaning supplies. The challenge is to use up all the things that you have before you buy anything. I basically have been doing a shopping fast for the last couple of months, and really just only buying groceries and then things that I actually need 100%. In this bottom drawer of my stove, I have all of my like tools and stuff like that in there. Extension cords, vacuum. She bought it anyways. I'm trying to just use reusables, things like that. This drawer is essentially the junk drawer, and I can definitely do some work here. Like I said, it's not as bad as it once was, but it's not where I want it to be. So this is where I store my cat stuff, all of that, and then my iron and my blender is there, and that is that. Okay, and here is kind of a nightmare, and this is what I want to work on as well. This shelf decided that it was gonna fall out of the wall, so one of my first projects is gonna be to fix that. Alright, step one, everything is out of the cupboards and out of the closet. I just stopped and I had lunch, and it's delicious, and now I'm gonna make coffee and then commence with the projects. Okay. Water, coffee, strainer, And so this is ground espresso. Basically the most delicious thing that you could find. So we've got our water, we've got our coffee. And yeah, that's all you do. So goes on medium heat. Cover up this ugly tissue box, and then I'm going to use it as a little tray for all my teas, all the teas and stuff. It came out pretty good actually, and this is going to be perfect for the teas and stuff. It's going to look way nicer than all those boxes. And take up a lot less room. So, there's that. What's inside there? What's inside there? Are you handsome? Let me see that face. Oh, yeah. Quite a project, right, angels?
So yeah, this project took way longer than I intended it to take. It is like almost 1:30 in the morning now. I started at like 4, which that was probably way too late in the afternoon to start. I was able to declutter like a little bit of stuff. I'm kind of always just working on it and getting rid of like a thing or two whenever I notice that it's something that I'm not really using. I hope that this video inspires you to do some projects, do some decluttering, let go of some stuff. Hope that you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you when I see you. See ya! Bye!